we're gonna go check out Gringotts and Diagon Alley and all that fun.
We made it in! Jake!
I know.
Ah! Are you so excited?
Yeah, I am.
Are you gonna take pictures right here?
Over here.
Over here?
And you picked a great time to come because something very special just came back.
What?
Hot Butterbeer.
Oh my gosh, someone was telling me about
Yeah,
that.
It's back.
where do we go get it?
The only place you can get it in Diagon Alley is Leaky Cauldron.
Leaky Cauldron, okay.
Okay.
Leaky Cauldron and 3 Room 6 over in Hogsmeade are the only ones.
Only places,
I
okay.
heard there was fudge, the frozen
There's
one,
6
the regular
total
one.
kinds.
Oh,
6.
Okay.
Okay, you have 3 drinks, 3 desserts.
3 drinks.
Cold, frozen, and hot for the drinks.
Okay.
Out of all of them that I've tried, the frozen is very, very good. It's a little chilly for right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Now the desserts, hot and cream, which is like a thick pudding.
Okay.
You can get that at Leaky Cauldron as well.
Okay,
Sugar plums, you can get the Butterbeer fudge, which is the only way you can take it home with you.
okay.
And then later in the day, once it warms up a little bit, Florida Fortescue's would be a great stop for Butterbeer ice cream, which is my favorite.
We're so
It's
excited.
very good.
This is Knockturn Alley.
It's super cool, and you definitely need your night vision in here.
Yes, it's very dark. But we've been here for a while, so we can see pretty well. But
Yeah, it's
it's
pretty
also
cool.
kind of creepy.
Uh-oh. There's something moving in there. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try on Bellatrix's face mask.
Death Eater mask? Holy cow.
I'm a little nervous.
That is kind of creepy. They're pretty creepy. Awesome.
Alright, Jake is gonna try on Lucius Malfoy's mask. Ooh. By the way, your shirt is super cool. It's the, how do you say it? The Marauders map shirt. Wow, Jake. That's real intense. We're taking a closer look at the mask.
I didn't know Death Eaters were that creepy. I knew they were creepy, but like in the movies, they're bad, but like...
Yeah, that's creepy.
This is really creepy.
Yeah, we saw those masks. I think they're $110.
Yeah.
But they come with a cool plaque and stuff.
Same place, yeah. We just went into Borges and Burke's.
And look, we got this cute mouse. He's missing a toe.
His toe's missing. He's
Sorry,
really
it's a
cute.
rat. But I really like his curly tail, and we could have passed him up. But I have been so impressed with the cast members here.
They're awesome.
They are so into character. So in the store, we got to try on the mask, the Death Eater mask, and it was like totally creepy, but way awesome. Like I kind of want one.
Yeah, they're very, very creepy. Ice cream.
Is this cool? First stop to the hopping pot for
We're gonna get some butterbeer ice cream.
soft serve.
Butterbeer
Menu.
ice cream, frozen butterbeer, normal butterbeer. All right, we got our butterbeer on the right and our butterbeer soft serve on the left. Yum, you're gonna love that.
So good?
Yeah.
Describe it to us.
It's just like butterbeer only with ice cream. Like it's vanilla ice cream with hints of butterbeer.
So it's not too much, is it very sweet?
Yeah, it's it's real sweet, but it's more vanilla with butterbeer flavor.
Check out that delicious foam on top.
Yeah.
Oh no! There's a rat eating our butterbeer! To the money exchange.
Gringotts money exchange. You may exchange model currency for an official Gringotts banknote. Redeemable at many establishments in the Wizarding world. Please be careful.
We're in Gringotts. We're gonna go for a spin.
Yeah, let's go get stuff out of our vault.
What do you need to get out of your vault today?
I just have like the Sword of Gryffindor is in there,
Yeah?
and maybe a goblet or something.
I need to get more money out because it looks like I'm gonna spend a lot on butterbeer and stuffed animals. Ooh! Here's our bank teller over here.
Yeah. Next in line.
This is so cool in here.
So on this ride, I feel like everyone's looking at me and
Voldemort and all.
smells at me.
Ready for the elevator. How cool is this? It's the way you go to the line. That was so cool. Jake, what did you think? Did you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We got the horse rides.
Yeah, we did. I like how they cheer for everyone when you're
I
done.
know, that's really cute. But I think we have trolls coming after us.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
'Cause we
They're
got-
coming for us. They're coming. That was our first time going on it. Well, it was our first time last time, but then we liked it so much we went again.
It was awesome.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna be like a roller coaster.
Coast is clear. I don't speak Parselton. Oh my goodness, look at all these cute owls.
A snake! Watch out! Those are cute.
Yeah, like you squeeze them.
What are those called? You squeeze them, they're so fluffy.
They're like pygmy puffs.
Ooh, Hagrid's dog. He's so cool. This is an awesome dragon. Wow. I want all of them. Jake, if you picked one out, what would it be? An owl. That's what you picked out last time. Different owl though. That one's cool.
Yep.
Oh, who's that?
It's just an owl friend.
Heading into the treat shop to get something sweet. Here's some fun options. Ooh.
So fun.
Now we got another form of butterbeers, the Butterbeer Fudge. It was nice, came out to $4.21, so I don't know if they do it by weight or just
Cute,
square size.
yeah.
Because they're already chopped up and stuff and ready to go. It tastes like butterbeer.
Yeah? That's fun.
It's a soft, chewy fudge. Actually, I really like it.
Good.
It's really good. Try it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty tasty.
Yeah? To the Leaky Cauldron. Here's the menu. We're gonna get the butterbeer potted cream, and you can also get hot butterbeer. It's not on the menu, but it's available right now. We also decided to get the Otter Fizzy orange juice. It looked really good. This is the hot butterbeer. It feels warm on my hands, and it's in a cute little coffee mug, so I'm excited to try it. Oh, it's really hot. Wow, it's really good. good. So the butterbeer's hot. The foam
It's cool.
is chili.
Ooh.
It tastes really, really good. I really like it. A lot. It's so hot.
Okay, well,
So good though. It's like melted butterscotch candy in my mouth.
yum. Wow, that's awesome. This is
Really?
Otter's Fizzy Orange Drink, and it has like, I don't know what it is.
Does it taste like orange juice?
It's a little different. I don't know. It tastes awesome though.
Like orange soda?
Not carbonated.
Juiced orange?
Yeah. Mixed with other flavors. I don't know.
Would you get it again?
Totally.
That one was $4.99.
Yep, cheaper than Butterbeer.
It has kind of the cinnamon outside. Looks so good.
Yum, that's really good. Oh my goodness. It's nice and chilled.
It's chilled. Okay, Jake, give it a whirl.
Okay. Yum.
What does it taste like? Besides butterbeer.
Almost like flat. So it looks like there's some soft cream, but yeah, see, it's pretty soft and has the butterbeer flavor around the edges and stuff.
Well, I just tried this, and to me, it's more like a mousse type of consistency. It's pretty good, but the hot butterbeer, that's where my heart's at right now. To King's Cross for a train ride. To...
We're heading over to Hogsmeade. There's projectile vomit. They're walking through. Holy cow, that's rad. We're here.
Here's the Hogwarts Express, ready for takeoff. Here's our ride. Ooh.
First cabin here on the right, cabin 8 for a low reward.
Cool. See you later, train.
Okay, we got lots to do.
We do. Plus, we still need to try frozen butterbeer. Hey, Jake.
We just rode that train over here.
There's snow on all the buildings. Oh, hey there, Hogwarts. Yeah. We're gonna do the walking tour. How cool. What is this? Oh, the mirror.
Harry sees his parents.
Eee, what do you see, Jake?
I see Kelsey and a dinosaur.
Not fair. Ooh, potions classroom. Wow. This is so cool.
I think this is lovely.
I can't believe we had the whole place to ourselves right now.
I know.
I'm kind of dying. This is amazing. Woo!
Better start thinking now which side you'll be taking. Gryffindor or Slytherin. Either way, enjoy it.
Gryffindor doesn't stand a chance.
Honestly, yes.
What are all these muggles doing at Hogwarts anyway? I expect this is Dumbledore's doing. Dumbledore, unlike you, Salazar, sees the good in all people, whether or not they possess magic. Besides, I think I detect a future Quidditch player or two amongst our younger visitors. They look like a pretty nasty lot to me.
The Slytherin thing.
How do you feel meeting you? Inevitably, there comes a moment.
For your information, it happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive volume on Hogwarts.
Also, that must be dead boring. As is Professor Ben's, very boring. The best way of doing that was to fly you there. Hermione's famous for a chance.
Oh, look who it is. Oh, wait, I want her to say something.
Hello, you people. Am I supposed to let you all in? Go without a password, no less.
Go for it.
Well, with the number. Otherwise, you'll miss the match.
Safely used her. And so the Hogwarts sorting hat tells all you need to know.
Jake,
I know.
you need this map.
Look, it's my shirt.
That's awesome.
You can just look on the back, my back, and see where to go.
What'd you find?
Well, there's a Horcrux, a couple Horcruxes.
Woo! Some really cool stuff in here.
Here's the tiara.
Oh, the tiara. That was a Horcrux.
And look, you feed me poison water.
Ooh.
And that shrieking thing that he opens underwater to hear what it says.
I feel like we need to go watch all the Harry Potter movies now.
We need to watch them again.
We found Harry and Ron's ugly sweaters.
Of course, they only come in triple double.
Except
XL.
I want them. It's freezing out, but it's time to get our last and final butterbeer. A frozen one. One frozen butterbeer. It's kind of a, here you go, you can see it's got that slushy consistency.
And then they still put the cream on top because that's the delicious part.
So we've been going over all the butterbeers.
And wanting to rate.
Since we got to try all 6 of them, all the 6 different forms. And we came to a consensus.
Number one, the hot
butterbeer.
It could be because it's cold today, but I don't think it is.
It's so good. It's
It's
something
just
about
really
that
good.
warm butter,
Just cozy.
like butterscotch flavor.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Number two would be just the normal butterbeer.
That one's really good.
That was
Number
good.
3, the soft serve ice cream, butterbeer ice cream.
That was really good.
Number 4,
would have to be icy slushy butterbeer.
icy slushy.
Yep. Number
Actually, I'm gonna put the fudge in front of
You
the
put
icy slushy.
fudge in front.
I think
Okay.
fudge. I think the fudge would be my number 4, and then number 5 would be icy slushy.
See, mine would be swapped. My
Jake's
5 would be the fudge.
And then number 6 would be the.
The mousse, the pudding.
I have a treat for Sirius Black.
Let's see if he wants it.
Try it. I know it's cold out.
Come on. Sirius, just take a sip.
Try it.
Just take a sip.
Try it. I guess it's all for me.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us.
Here at the Universal Orlando Resort.